Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can close your Cash App account, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this answer on Reddit. These are basically the same instructions you can find on the support site for Cash App. However, in my region, I don't have access to either the Cash App or the Cash App website because it's simply region locked, so I really have no other choice than to use this. But these steps are really simple, and all you have to do is the following. So first, of course, you need to go into the Cash app, then click on the profile picture in the top right, then go into support, and then go into account/settings, and then scroll down until you see the option to close your Cash App account. Before this, if you have any other accounts connected to Cash App, such as a bank account or anything of the sort, maybe even if you're using Cash App as a form of payment on different services such as Amazon, unlink them first before you close your Cash App account, just to make sure. But once you do that, then you'll be able to click the close your account button and then confirm everything and accept the closure. However, as you can see, the original poster of this thread said that it won't let them close it because they have $1 in their account. If you have any other money, transfer it to anywhere else, such as your bank account, or send it to somebody else and ask them to give you the money back in cash. And then once you are rid of all your money, you'll be able to close your account without any difficulties, and that should be pretty much it. If you are having any problems, I do recommend that you contact their support, and if you're having any difficulties closing it, depending on your local legislation, you might be able to request them to delete your data due to, I don't know, the GDPR, for example, in Europe. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.